Hi all and welcome to this tutorial on how to create an Angular project using Visual Studio Code. Let's take a look on the prerequisite on what all softwares we need to create our first Angular project. Angular is a popular open source framework for building web application, and Visual Studio Code is a free lightweighted code editor that supports a variety of programming language. So in this video, I will be showing you how to install Node.js, Angular CLI and TypeScript, and finally how to install Visual Studio Code. So this 4 installation is required to create your first Angular project from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional Angular project that you can run and test. Let's get started. So guys, before installing everything else, let me give you some introduction about the Angular CLI. So Angular CLI is a command line tool used to create, manage and deploy Angular application, and this tool we will be using throughout our tutorial to show you how powerful is this tool, and it saves a lot of time, and also it helps to speed up the development process. So guys, in this step 1 we'll see how to install Node.js. First you need to install Node.js. You can download it from the official Node.js website, and you can see this is our Node.js website. And once you download this, you need to install this by following the prompt. And so once the download is completed, open the installer and follow the prompt to complete the installation. You just can click on the continue and just follow this prompt, and by following this you will be able to install the Node.js. Guys, next you have to install Angular CLI, and you can use Node Package Manager, that is npm, by opening command prompt or terminal. So let me show you quickly. So if you see this website, this is the command npm I Angular CLI. So what I need to do minor modification here. So I need to add a flag G. So what this will do, this will install Angular CLI globally inside your machine. So you can see I have installed successfully the Angular CLI. So after we successfully install the Angular CLI, we need to install TypeScript. And you can also use the same Node Package Manager to install the TypeScript, and it will show you this command npm I TypeScript. Just copy this command and paste in the terminal, and you can see it also installed the TypeScript. So guys, now that you have installed Node.js, Angular CLI and TypeScript, you need a code editor to start coding. And in this tutorial I will be showing you how to code using Visual Studio Code, and the same you can download from this official website. And once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. So once you have installed the Visual Studio Code, you can open this by double click, and it will open you this interface. Let me show you how we can create our first Angular application. So to create your first Angular application, you need to go to your terminal or command prompt in case of Windows, and you can use now CLI command to create Angular application. So I will be using ng new demo tutorial 1. So basically this command is provided by CLI ng new, and this is your project name which you want to create. Once you enter this command and press enter, it will ask you to provide some information like whether you need routes or what kind of CSS file you want to add into your project. And by default it will create the project skeleton, and also will install the required dependencies. So now you can see it's installing everything here, right? And once this is completed, I will show you the project in our editor. Now you can see that packages are installed. I will open the project in the code editor, and to open this you can click on this file, and you can click on this open folder, and you can see demo tutorial 1 is created. And once you open this one, you will see all the required files are there for this demo tutorial 1, and next we'll see how we can run this. And you can navigate into the project directory, and you have to make sure that you are running all the commands from your directory. So next command I will use ngserve. So this is also a command given by the Angular CLI, and once you enter ngserve and press enter, it will start your project. And you can see your Angular project is started on localhost 4200. And let me show you in the browser, and you can see our application is running here. And you can now add all your modules which is required from your project into this created skeleton. So guys, that's it. You have successfully created an Angular project using Visual Studio Code. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials and tips. Your support means a lot to me, and it helped me to create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in next videos.